Hello, everyone, and welcome to the seventh episode of English for Every Day. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. We're so glad you're here to learn more about everyday English with us. Today, we're diving into 3 new words that are super common but have so many interesting uses.
That's right. Last time, we talked about cut, fall, and hang. Today, we're focusing on pick, pull, and push. These words might seem straightforward, but they're used in so many creative ways in English.
Let's start with pick. The basic meaning is to choose or select something, like pick a color you like. But it's also used in phrases like pick up, which can mean to lift something or to learn something quickly. For example, can you pick up the pen? Or she picked up Spanish really fast.
And don't forget pick out, which means to choose something carefully. Like, I picked out a gift for my friend.
Great examples. Now let's move to pull. The basic meaning is to move something toward yourself, like pull the door open. But we also use phrases like pull off, which means to succeed in doing something difficult. For example, they pulled off an amazing performance.
Right? Another one is pull through, meaning to recover from a difficult situation. Like, he pulled through after the surgery.
Perfect. Now let's tackle push. The basic meaning is to move something away from yourself, like push the chair closer to the table. But it's also used in phrases like push back, which means to delay something. For example, we had to push back the meeting to next week.
And push yourself means to work hard or challenge yourself. Like, you need to push yourself if you want to improve.
Don't forget push for, which means to strongly advocate for something. For example, the team is pushing for better working conditions.
These words are so versatile. Learning these phrases will make your English sound way more natural.
Absolutely. Try using them in sentences this week. For example, I need to pick up some groceries, or she's pushing for a promotion at work.
That's all for today. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with a friend who's learning English.
Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time. Take care.